With more than 2.5 million apps on the Google Play Store, it can be hard to know which ones to trust. There are so many developers, companies, and individuals creating apps that it has become confusing. That's why you need to stick around as we tell you the top 10 Android apps that you should never install. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another video. Number 10. ES File Explorer. For those wanting to keep their files organized, applications like ES File Explorer can be a lifesaver. It offers cloud storage and easy-to-use file transfer software. But for years, users complained about excessive ads and pop-ups. Things took an even darker turn in 2019 when Google suspended the application from the Play Store. The charge was click fraud, which is when devices are clicking on background ads without the knowledge of users. Click fraud is an easy way to drive up the revenue of a company because most advertisers operate on a pay-per-click model. But it's also illegal. That's why Google had to take a hard line on it. ES File Explorer is back on the market, but we can only advise you to be careful with a company that has a checkered past. Number 9. Blood Pressure App. We can probably all pay a little more attention to our health and diet. That's why there is a huge industry for health and tracking apps on our mobiles. What you don't expect from these apps is to destroy the health of your phone. That's what happened to users who have downloaded a popular health app called Blood Pressure App. It's hard to know how accurate it was, but it's been removed from the Play Store earlier this year after Google found it to include the Joker Trojan. Joker is mainly used to commit fraudulent advertising activity to inflate income. But it can also access SMS messages and addresses from an infected device. Number 8. Dolphin. Cybersecurity is big business. That's why so many of the apps on this list promise to provide safety to their users. The Dolphin browser is an app for Android that assures customers that it is the best Internet Explorer browser for Android. Unfortunately, security researchers disagree. Downloaded files can be intercepted and replaced with harmful files. And despite its selling point as a privacy company, Dolphin browser has been caught red-handed numerous times. In 2011, they were found to be tracking almost all of their users' movements online. Then in 2016, they were again caught saving user behavior, even when in incognito mode. If we can't trust dolphins, who can we trust? Number 7. SuperVPN. You can't go anywhere on the internet without being offered a virtual private network, or VPN provider. And for good reason. They can offer a level of security while you browse the web. But not all VPNs are interested in your safety. SuperVPN is one of the most popular VPN providers on the Google Play Store. With more than 100 million downloads and a 4.6 star rating, there's no reason not to trust it. But experts say that SuperVPN could be dangerous. One website lists its logging policy, links to China, and lack of transparency as reasons that the app can't be trusted. There have been data breaches that exposed the information of 21 million users, which puts them all at risk. Number 6. QUICKPIC Gallery. QUICKPIC Gallery was once a trusted application, but now it has a 2-star average review on the Play Store and a mountain of complaints. So what happened? It all started when Cheetah Mobile bought the app in 2015. Cheetah Mobile is a Chinese firm that has now been banned from Google because of ad fraud. But even before that came to light, it was already doing some shady things. After buying QUICKPIC Gallery, it was proven that Cheetah Mobile was uploading people's data to their own servers. A big no-no online. But with such a low rating now on the Play Store, we can't imagine that they are attracting many new customers. Number 5. Antivirus Super Cleaner. If you're looking to tighten up the security on your Android device, be careful. You'd think that the one thing antivirus software would do would be, well, to prevent viruses. But the NCC group discovered that the Android application Antivirus Super Cleaner was actually helping to spread the Trojan SharkBot. SharkBot is malware that is designed to gain access to your banking accounts and automatically make transfers. Don't worry though, Google responded to the report and quickly removed the app from its Play Store. Number 4. BEATPLAYER. Why would you install a music player if phones come with one inbuilt? Well, some of them have more functions, themes, or access to different music. But Google are warning Android users against trusting any of the music players on the market. One example is BEATPLAYER. During installation, a fake service request leads to the device being infected with AlienBot Banker. AlienBot tries to steal login information to your most valuable applications, especially banking ones. From there, cybercriminals can either take money from your account or sell your information. Probably not worth risking it just for a different music player, hey? Number 3. QR Barcode Scanner Max. Living through the age of COVID, people have rediscovered the convenience of QR codes. We can now check in and order food after flashing our camera at a pattern. However, if you installed the app QR Barcode Scanner Max to try and take advantage of this technology, now is the time to delete it. An investigation by internet security firm Check Point found that it was infecting users with a Trojan that steals banking information straight from your phone. Number 2. QRECORDER. It's the same story for this next one. QRECORDER is an app that is used for voice recording, and the Play Store has it listed as being downloaded more than 10,000 times. But the app was recording much more than what users knew about. A Trojan within the application allowed attackers to see text messages and other information that is displayed on the mobile screen. Apparently, the targets were mainly financial institutions in the Czech Republic. But it's still wise to avoid it and delete it if you have it. Number 1. UC Browser. This one is one of the most popular apps on the Google Play Store. UC Browser tops the charts as the most downloaded mobile browser in countries like India and Indonesia. It has great functionality and works smoothly, but there is a lot of evidence suggesting that you're better off sticking with Google Chrome. It was actually the famous NSA whistleblower Edward Snowden who made public the fact that UC Browser takes sensitive information like a user's MAC address, geolocation, and Wi-Fi details. There were bigger security risks too. In 2019, it was revealed that UC Browser Mini was leaving Android users exposed to the man-in-the-middle attacks, where an attacker imitates the identity of the user to gain access to private data. These vulnerabilities have led to the banning of the app in India and China, despite being owned by Chinese multinational tech company Alibaba. Did you have any of these applications installed on your phone? Or are there any more that we should know about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video and want more, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.